Soy products, with their rich flavors and nutritional value, are common as both snacks and dishes. How can we make soy product packaging more visually appealing? Today, I'm going to walk you through the packaging solutions for soy products. Elemotion Premade Bag Parallel Vacuum Packaging Machine, through the lay-flat shaking method, for a more even distribution and a more attractive package, well-suited for packaging soy products, sunflower seeds, peanuts, and similar food items. Today, we'll take you inside the packaging process for soy products to see how it's done. Premade Pouch Double Chamber Vacuum Packaging Machine Tofu Roll Packaging Solution. Bag loading. Bag opening. Product weighing. Bag filling. Bag mouth processing. Transfer. Vacuum. Product discharge. We can provide packaging solutions for all kinds of bean-based foods. Feel free to get in touch with us to discuss your packaging needs.